Hi, Ashley from AnSen Repair here. If your fridge has suddenly become loud, it's trying to tell you something. Unusual noises like buzzing, rattling, or knocking aren't normal and shouldn't be ignored. In many cases, loud fridge noises are caused by the condenser fan or evaporator fan working harder than they should. Dust buildup on condenser coils can also force the fridge to strain, creating louder operating sounds. Another common issue is items inside the fridge vibrating or the appliance not sitting level on the floor. Start by checking that the fridge is level and not touching cabinets or walls. Make sure items inside aren't rattling against each other. Cleaning the condenser coils can also help reduce noise and improve efficiency. If the noise continues, gets louder, or is accompanied by cooling problems, internal components may be wearing out. At that point, professional service is recommended. AnSen Repair provides reliable refrigerator diagnostics and repairs across the GTA.